Well, it's so wonderful to be here this morning. I'm just thankful for the opportunity that the Lord gives us and blesses our lives with. It's not often that you get to walk down paths of lives in the journey of life that you get to walk again. There's no promise that we would ever been able to come this way again. It's so good to see so many familiar faces, so many fond memories, and for the blessing of the Lord to allow us to come and be again in Woodland Hills and to worship the Lord with us. I'm glad to report that God has continued to watch over our path and to keep us. And as I mentioned to Brother Don about our son Zachary, he was dedicated in this church before we left on our journey from here. And I'm glad to report that he continues to still walk under the shadow of the Almighty. And Brother Nettles is already graduated to that wonderful award to lead the way. And so many others that we look around and that are not here when we were here last. But we have such a great cloud of witnesses that says, press on, move on, come on. Continue the journey, finish the course. And I'm glad to be able to share just another moment in time with you today. As you look at me and look at our family, some of you might say, well, who is that? Are you sure that's Byron? And many things have changed, as you can tell. Many meals ago.
Come and go.
One thing hasn't changed, though, and that is we still live in a world where people need the Lord. And I just want to kind of remind us of that and emphasize that today. Thankful for the opportunity to sing. Didn't come to sing, but Brother Johnson, your pastor, asked us last evening, and wonderful fond memories with him. So join in worshiping the Lord and join in this emphasis today as I sing, people need the Lord. And be forgiving when my older, feeble mind might miss a word or two. Every day they pass me by, I can see it in their eyes. Empty people filled with care, headed who knows where. All they go through private pain, living fear to fear. Laughter hides their lonesome cries. Only Jesus hears. People need the Lord. People need the Lord. At the end of broken dreams, He's the open door. People need the Lord. People need the Lord. When will we realize people need the Lord? We are called to take His light to a world where wrong seems right. What could be too great